Did you know that hemp seeds are packed with protein containing all 9 essential amino acids? They're one of the few plant-based sources that can give you a complete protein boost. They come from the hemp plant, a close relative of cannabis but without the mind-altering effects. Instead, these seeds offer something far more valuable, powerful nutrients for a healthier body and mind. Get ready to experience the life-changing benefits of hemp seeds. High-quality protein source. Protein is an essential nutrient that our bodies need to build and repair muscles, make enzymes, and support the immune system. When people don't get enough protein, they might start losing muscle, which can make them feel weaker and less energetic. This is especially a problem for people who exercise or have physically demanding jobs because their muscles need protein to recover and grow. Without enough protein, the body can struggle to heal from physical activities, leading to prolonged soreness and fatigue. Vegetarians and vegans often find it challenging to get complete proteins, which are proteins that contain all the essential amino acids our bodies can't make on their own. Many plant-based foods lack one or more of these essential amino acids, so people following these diets need to be careful to eat a variety of protein sources, like beans, nuts, and seeds. Hemp seeds are a great option because they are a complete plant protein, meaning they provide all the essential amino acids. Getting enough high-quality protein each day helps people maintain muscle strength, recover well from physical activity, and stay energized throughout the day. This makes protein an important part of a balanced diet for everyone, no matter their lifestyle or dietary preference. 2. Omega fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that play a big role in keeping our bodies healthy. Omega-3s support heart health by lowering the risk of heart disease and helping to keep blood vessels healthy. Additionally, they help reduce inflammation, which is the body's way of protecting itself from harm. However, if inflammation gets out of control, it can lead to pain and various health issues. Many people in Western countries don't get enough omega-3s in their diet, mainly because these nutrients are found in foods like fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, which are not always part of everyday meals. When there's not enough omega-3 in the diet, people may experience poor memory, a higher risk of heart issues, and more inflammation. This can affect joint health, mood, and even the ability to recover well after exercise. Getting more omega-3s either through food or supplements can help improve these areas and support overall well-being. Omega-3s are a simple but powerful way to boost health, especially in diets that may lack these essential fats. Adding hemp seeds into your diet will give you a balanced ratio of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Before we jump to the next point, to keep this channel going, please hit the subscribe button. It truly makes a difference. Thank you. 3. Great for digestion. Hemp seeds are not only packed with protein and healthy fats, they're also a great source of fiber, a vital nutrient that keeps our digestive system on track. This fiber acts as a natural cleanser for our digestive tract, helping to move waste through the body efficiently. There are 2 types of fiber, soluble and insoluble, and hemp seeds contain both. Soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in the gut, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels and keep us feeling full longer. This can be especially helpful for anyone trying to manage their weight. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, doesn't dissolve in water. It adds bulk to stool, making it easier for waste to pass smoothly through the digestive system. This reduces the risk of constipation and keeps things moving naturally. By adding just a small handful of hemp seeds to your daily diet, you can support a healthier digestive process, keeping your gut clear and helping you feel energized. Fiber from hemp seeds can also support the growth of good bacteria in the gut, promoting overall digestive health. Whether on top of your breakfast or blended into a smoothie, hemp seeds make it easy to boost your daily fiber intake, supporting a healthy gut and a happy digestive system. 4. Skin health benefits. Hemp seeds are a natural powerhouse for skin health, containing essential fats and vitamins that work from the inside out to keep skin looking its best. The healthy fats in hemp seeds play a big role in keeping skin hydrated, balanced, and protected from dryness. These fatty acids help strengthen the skin's natural barrier, sealing in moisture and preventing the dryness and flakiness often seen with skin issues. The high omega-6 content in hemp seeds, particularly in the form of gamma-linolenic acid, also helps reduce inflammation, which can calm redness and irritation. Hemp seeds are also packed with vitamins E and A, antioxidants that protect the skin from damage caused by environmental stressors like UV rays and pollution. By reducing oxidative stress, these vitamins may help slow signs of aging, keeping skin smoother and more youthful. The anti-inflammatory properties of hemp seeds can even help with acne. By calming inflamed skin, regulating oil production, and providing essential nutrients, hemp seeds work from within to promote a clearer, healthier complexion. 5. Boosts brain health. Beyond physical health, hemp seeds offer powerful benefits for the brain. These seeds help maintain brain cell structure, supporting overall brain function and cognitive health. Omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in hemp seeds, play a crucial role in building and maintaining healthy brain cell membranes. This supports strong communication between brain cells, essential for memory retention, focus, and faster thinking. Hemp seeds also contribute to a better mood. The balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids helps promote the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, the feel-good chemicals in the brain. This balance can improve mood stability, relieve stress, and help manage anxiety. In addition, hemp seeds have anti-inflammatory properties that protect the brain against chronic inflammation, a factor linked to cognitive decline in conditions like Alzheimer's. By reducing inflammation, hemp seeds may protect memory and mental clarity as we age. Whether you add them to your smoothie or sprinkle them on a salad, hemp seeds can be a simple way to support your brain. 6. Boost immune system. Hemp seeds contain zinc, making them a convenient way to boost immune support, especially during flu season or periods of stress when immunity may need extra support. Low levels can lead to a weakened immune system and delayed healing. Zinc is vital for immune function and DNA synthesis. Zinc also supports faster wound healing by enhancing collagen production. 7. Boost iron levels. Iron deficiency is a common nutritional issue that affects people worldwide, particularly women. Women are at higher risk due to blood loss during menstruation, pregnancy, and increased iron requirements. Iron is essential for producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that transports oxygen throughout the body. Without sufficient iron, the body cannot produce enough hemoglobin, leading to low oxygen levels in tissues and organs. This results in iron deficiency anemia, which causes symptoms like fatigue, weakness, and pale skin. Many individuals with iron deficiency also experience shortness of breath, dizziness, and cold hands and feet. Iron deficiency can also impair cognitive function, as the brain needs oxygen to maintain focus and memory. In severe cases, it can even lead to heart complications, as the heart works harder to compensate for low oxygen levels. Anemia affects daily life by reducing energy and mental clarity, making simple tasks feel more difficult. Addressing iron deficiency is essential for maintaining overall health, energy, and mental sharpness. Hemp seeds contain iron, which can help maintain healthy blood cells and energy levels. 8. Rich in magnesium. Magnesium is essential for muscle function, energy production, and maintaining heart rhythm. Low magnesium levels can cause muscle cramps, fatigue, and an increased risk of heart conditions. Magnesium also helps regulate blood pressure, supports the immune system, and contributes to bone health. Without enough magnesium, people may experience stress-related symptoms like irritability and poor sleep, as magnesium plays a role in calming the nervous system. Long-term magnesium deficiency can even lead to more serious issues such as high blood pressure and insulin resistance, impacting overall health significantly. Hemp seeds are a rich source of magnesium. Just a small serving of hemp seeds each day can help meet magnesium needs. Please check out our next video above. See you shortly in the next video. And thank you for watching and learning about the importance of hemp seeds in your diet. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference in how you feel every day.